Today, let's talk about migrating ETL workflows from Informatica to Databricks using Kanerika's Flip platform. Many organizations have built reliable data workflows in Informatica. But as business workloads and data volumes grew, teams want faster processing with more freedom to code, test, and share work in one place. Databricks fits that need well because it brings compute and data engineering on one platform. It helps teams move faster without losing control. But manual migration is time-consuming, resource-intensive, and error-prone. That's where Kanerika's proprietary migration accelerator powered by Flip comes in. It all starts with FIRE, Flip interface for Informatica Repository Export, that simplifies Informatica-to-Databricks migration by securely extracting complex mappings, workflows, and business logic from PowerCenter. This standardized output becomes the foundation for Flip to convert legacy ETL into Databricks-native pipelines. Now let's see how this works. Using Kanerika's Flip platform, the process is completely automated. Let's see how Flip enables that. Flip connects to the Informatica repository, identifies the selected mappings, and converts them into Databricks-ready scripts within minutes. Users can choose between Python Spark or Scala Spark based on their preference. Once complete, the migrated scripts are neatly packaged with detailed logs, migration reports, documented source code, and test templates. This gives both developers and business users full visibility into what has been migrated and what needs review. The new Databricks workflows can then be accessed instantly for quick validation and deployment. Here's a quick recap. We started with why organizations are moving to Databricks: for better performance, cost savings, and real-time capabilities. Then we addressed the challenge of manual migration being slow, expensive, and prone to errors. Next, we explored how Kanerika's Flip platform automates the entire Informatica to Databricks migration process. Finally, we walked through how Flip delivers logs, migration reports, documented source code, and test templates for quick validation. Automate your Informatica to Databricks migration. Book a free demo at www.kanerika.com/meet.